My name is Hans Wiesmann. I am the author of a book about the PBY Catalina. That's the plane that you see here right behind me. Imagine, this plane was built in 1944. We are more than 70 years later and it's still flying up until today. Amazing, huh? As a young kid, I lived in the West Indies and made many flights to Trinidad with the DC-3 Dakota. In 1950, we moved over to the East Indies, where we lived for years in Borneo. The war against Japan had left for us all sorts of war relics. Not only the Witte Jeep my father drove, but also the PBY Catalina that flew us right into the deepest of the jungle. Believe me, those were the best years a young kid could have. It was my PlayStation for many, many years. Years after I left Borneo, I met the Catalina again, still flying in a variety of roles as a firefighter, cargo plane, but also as an adventure travel platform that could land on any lake, river or lagoon with 16 passengers. My Borneo-born passion flared up again, and soon I was engaged in the creation of the flight of a lifetime with the Catalina over the Atlantic. But my book would not be complete without the heroic role of the PBY Catalina Kenzo during the war. The aircraft played a remarkable role both on the Atlantic and the Pacific Ocean as an anti-submarine patrol aircraft and a search rescue plane for downed aircrews. During the war, the Catalinas got more advanced anti-submarine warfare equipment, but also heavier machine guns for the defense and bombs, depth charges, mines and even torpedoes to attack subs, ships and harbors. Catalinas were the first fighting aircraft that carried radar equipment, enabling the Cats to track and attack submarines now also at night. Read in my book how the battle over the oceans was won with the arrival of the radar, med boom, the ley light and sonar. The PBY matured far beyond its own design limitations into an intelligent airborne spy platform.